What's up, YouTube? It's the Clarke Gang. I'm Drizzy Dre.
I'm BJ.
Dallas.
Nebe. And Akasha all day.
And we are the Clarke Gang. And today's challenge is turning cereal into deep fried cookies. And our first cereal is Oops All-Berry Cookies, baby! Oh yeah. Hey, let's get started.
It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the gang gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the gang gang. It's Dallas and BJ and Drizzy Dre. Who else? Nebe and Akasha all day. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. C to the L to the A-R-K. What you say? Gang gang. Clarke Gang. C to the L to the A-R-K. What you say? Gang gang. Clarke Gang. It's Dallas and BJ and Drizzy Dre. Who else? Nebe and Akasha all day. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the gang gang. C to the L to the A-R-K. What you say? Gang gang. Clarke Gang. C to the L to the A-R-K. What you say? Gang gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the gang gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the Clarke Gang. It's the gang gang. Bop. It's the gang gang. Bop, bop, bop. Gang gang. Bop, bop, bop. Gang gang. Gang gang. Hey. It's the Clarke.
All right, welcome back. So today, again, we're gonna do our Oops All-Berry cereal challenge, and we're gonna break up into our departments because hey, it's a process. So let's get started. Hey, Dallas, what color you got?
Green.
BJ, what you got?
I got blue.
Akasha
I have purple.
and Nebe.
I have red.
I'm gonna do a mixture, a rainbow mixture. Oh yeah. So hey, let's break down the cereal. Let's get started. Y'all cups. This is what y'all gonna put y'all. We're gonna divide our little Oops All-Berries into the colors, and then we're gonna get started with everything else. So while y'all doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the mix. And so we're gonna go ahead and eat cereal for dessert, baby. Oh yeah.
Alright, let's open this.
Go ahead and open it up, buddy. Meanwhile, while we're going to get the stuff separated, go ahead and take the time out to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're coming at you all week long, baby. Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
All your
greens. I'll get all my blues.
No, I got a blue inside mine.
Purple, 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 blue, 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 blue. I know what the greens are. I got so much
I
blue.
keep on grabbing blue.
Green.
Sounds like I got a whole bunch of greens for you.
Yeah.
Give me green.
Just fill up your cup, and then that's it.
Alright, I keep on
Go ahead and
grabbing
get some
blue.
mixing, baby.
My cup not even halfway full.
Why is red inside mine?
But this blue is mixing it up. No. What's red inside mine?
Nate.
No, I didn't put that
Who did it then?
No.
Thank you.
Mommy, I got so much purple for you.
BJ got so many blue.
Here you go, Mommy. Red?
Who got black?
I have some green for you.
Thank you. Everybody give me these greens.
Boy, don't grab my blue. See these two blues right here?
This green? Blue.
This is blue.
Give me my green.
Let's see who's gonna dance field to the top first.
That was not, yeah, that was.
Cause everybody's so cute.
Boy, you got my blue.
There's a hand in it.
No.
Why are people not putting up their cup?
You are. Because they mainly got other people's colors.
Mine's gonna fill me up. I got blue.
So, it's two reds right there.
Take a red.
All right.
That's
Got our stuff divided. So now we have to
Well,
get ready to crush.
I'm done.
Crush is a must. Crush.
No,
Crush.
we're him. Bring a couple beers. You done.
It's all berries, baby.
All right. So we have our batter
Okay, sweet.
already whipped up. We got everything color coded. Get ready to crush. And
Y'all got two green.
we about to get this thing started. Also, it really don't matter which cookies you use. You can use the off-brand or you can use the vanilla Oreos. Either way, it's gonna make the same.
Show you how to make these Oreo Oops All Berry cookies, and we have, as you see here, all the cereal here is down to dust.
Dust it off, y'all.
And we also have our waffle batter,
That looks good.
and we have our cookies.
All right.
It's probably going to taste
So-
like Michigan.
The first thing you do is you want to go ahead and get your cookies battered up in the waffle batter, and then go ahead and cook them for about 3 minutes. Cook it in the grease for about 3 minutes, and then you bring them over to the table. And then we go to the last step, which is the fun step. Can't wait.
I'm about to show you how to toss. We're gonna do the green all berry cereal.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna take the Oreo. Give it a nice little toss.
Yep.
Green. And with the other ones, I don't want to mix it, so I'm just gonna take it and put it in there.
Yeah.
Can I try one?
Yeah.
We have blue. And kids, you can make this at home also. It's very easy. We have purple.
My favorite color. Red.
And we have this delicious red.
Yes.
Can I try one, Daddy?
Yeah. Not right now. After we eat.
Get that red up in there real good.
Two red.
See that? I'm gonna do another purple.
And then another blue for me.
Purple,
Vanilla
purple.
blue. For BJ.
Okay, we almost done. Then we're gonna do another blue. You see that?
Oops.
Clarke gang did that. Can I get a gang gang?
Gang, gang!
And here we go. Oops.
Oops.
Oops, all
All
berry
berry
cookies. Everybody try one.
Oh, no.
I'm not going to
Look
try
at
one.
my blue, girl.
There goes another blue right
I
there.
got the gray one. I got the gray one.
I'll take the purple. There's a green right here, guys.
No. My other green.
Oh
Taking too much stuff.
So delicious.
This is good.
Mmm.
Very good.
Hot.
Hey, so that's how you make Oops All Berry deep fried cookies. And it's been another successful. What's up, Clarke gang? It's your boy Drizzy Dre. We just completed another successful challenge, turning cereal into dessert. Who knew you could do that? So check this out. Tomorrow's challenge is Pizza Hut versus Domino's versus Little Caesars challenge to see who tastes the best, cheesiest, pepperoniest pizza there is. And we're gonna settle this debate once and for all. The Clarke gang got y'all back. So meanwhile, like, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, because we coming at you all week, baby. And if you want another challenge and a prank from us, just say gang, baby.
Gang. Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. Hey, until next time, we'll see you. Peace.
It's the Clarke gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the gang gang. C to the L to the ARK. Or what you say? Gang gang. Clarke gang. C to the L to the ARK. Or what you say? Gang gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the gang gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the Clarke gang. It's the gang gang.